Leadership styles are crucial for project management success. They impact team dynamics, communication, and decision-making. Do you agree?
Definitely. There are 6 types of leadership styles: autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire, transformational, transactional, and servant leadership. Each has its strengths and weaknesses depending on the project and team.
Interesting. Can you explain each style briefly?
Sure. Autocratic leaders make decisions without input, while democratic leaders involve the team in decision-making. Laissez-faire leaders give the team freedom to make decisions. Transformational leaders inspire and motivate the team to achieve a shared vision. Transactional leaders focus on rewards and consequences for performance. Servant leaders prioritize the team's needs over their own.
Wow, that's a lot to consider. Which leadership style do you think is best for project managers?
It depends on the project and team, but I believe a combination of transformational and servant leadership works well. It inspires and motivates the team while prioritizing their needs and well-being.
That makes sense. How can we track progress and stay on track with project milestones?
One method is using a milestone chart. It's a visual representation of the project timeline, including major milestones and deadlines. This helps the team stay focused and on track.
Great tip. Can you give an example of how a milestone chart can be used in a project?
Sure. Let's say we're planning a marketing campaign. We can use a milestone chart to track the timeline for each stage, such as research, strategy, execution, and evaluation. This helps us stay organized and meet our deadlines.
I see. That's a useful tool. Thanks for sharing your insights and tips.
You're welcome. Let's keep collaborating and learning from each other.